How to log into Snapchat without verification code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log into Snapchat without verification code. Well, the first step is device. If your Snapchat is asking you for verification code, it's probably due to the reason that it can't verify you as the user. So, if you try to log in from your previous devices that you have already logged in and used Snapchat, then you might get around the verification process. If you can't do that, then the second you can do is email Snapchat directly. Now, to email Snapchat, open your Gmail on your device and compose an email and send it to support@snapchat.com. Now, if you do this, write a subject and compose an email and send it, then you might be able to log into your ID. Snapchat might contact you within 24 to 48 hours and you might be able to log in. There is no other way to log in without verification code if it's asking one. Hope this was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment below if you have any further issues.